The corridors of the Kingston Public Hospital have carried generations of Jamaicans from colonial times to modern-day emergency care. But this year, the historic institution is celebrating 250 years of service, marking a milestone as the oldest serving hospital in the Caribbean. Alia Bryant has details.
Since 1776, the Kingston Public Hospital, KPH, has been more than just a medical facility. It has been a lifeline for generations of Jamaicans. Addressing a commemorative ceremony on behalf of Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, the hospital's warden matron, Miss Davis King, reflected on KPH's rich legacy while highlighting continued investments aimed at strengthening healthcare infrastructure and improving patient care.
Modernization initiatives and ongoing partnership will ensure that the Kingston Public Hospital continues to evolve to meet the growing and changing needs of our population. The 205th anniversary provides an opportunity for reflection and renewal, and to honor the past, celebrate the present, and embrace a future defined by innovation and excellence.
The hospital, now one of the region's leading trauma centers, treats thousands of patients each month and serves as a major training facility for medical professionals. Chief Executive Officer of KPH, Barrington Graham, says the milestone belongs to the dedicated staff who have upheld the hospital's mission.
We are challenged daily by a multiplicity of issues. Yet despite these obstacles, the ingenuity, the resourcefulness, and the unswerving spirit of KPH team continue to shine through. I salute them for their fortitude and their steadfast commitment to healing the nation.
But beyond the celebration, there were calls for continued improvements within the public health system. Opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, congratulated the institution while stressing the need for sustained support.
We are not celebrating the age of the building, but we are celebrating 250 years of staff dedication. Our healthcare workers deserve the tools, the resources, and the support necessary to deliver world-class healthcare, and our patients deserve nothing less.
As the celebrations continue, one message remains clear. While buildings may age, Kingston Public Hospital's service-oriented culture is still as strong as ever. Alia Bryant, TVJ News.